Ladies and gentlemen, this guide is about proper removal of Wantiguely.club. Wantiguely.club. This is the dangerous page that tries to infect your browser and to start causing the great number of web push notifications. As you can clearly see, the pop-up indicates that you should tap the Allow button to continue, but believe me that doing so is a very serious mistake that may lead to a lot of troubles. If you click on that Allow button, the browser may be immediately hijacked. You will be then forwarded to all sorts of dangerous resources in the internet, and eventually your computer may be exposed to all kinds of threats that may damage your system. For instance, you see this particular redirection to some random website, and such redirections may randomly attack your computer. I recommend you to go to the menu of your browser, select Settings, and then go to Privacy and Security and choose Site Settings, and in the Permissions area click on Notifications. You need to examine the Allow area carefully. As you see, sometimes you see these unwanted redirections distracting you. That's because of that pop-up enabled. So check the Allow area, find this Wantiguely.club, click on this button and remove it. This was the manual solution, but I also recommend you to double check your Mac with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Get it on this resource, combocleaner.com. Download the application and start scanning your computer with it. Wait until the antivirus database is updated and click on Start Combo Scan. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Whether it is in the trial mode or in the premium mode, the program will perform scanning of your computer and its analysis. At the end of scan, you will see the detailed report. If you see something next to the antivirus section, you may click on Review Results to find out what exact threats were found. So you will see the detailed list of each specific threat and its detailed location in your Mac. What you could do is click on this icon, that means Show in Finder. Then this will open the location of threat in Finder. You may right-click on this threat and move it to the trash. You may do the same procedure with all other malware types that were found. So click on this icon, then right-click on it, on the malware, and move it to the trash. So this is the manual way to remove malware from your Mac, or you could do it automatically but with the premium version of the program.